se täysin turhaan. Was a completely unnecessary replacement. This is Kansakoulunkatu 19-21 stickies, just one example. It was originally built in 1997, but already placed in 2012. The number is 11500305 capacity, 600 grams. It will be inspected next year, 2022, when this replacement is turning 10 years old. But absolutely unnecessary after only 15 years. From 1997 to 2012. Really weird. But in the area they replaced several elevators.
Yeah.
With this. So it was like, I don't think it was anything wrong with the elevators. They were maybe CMAC before.
Yeah.
But still pretty unnecessary. Especially if they were without any doors.
Yeah.
And not the folding in the doors. Maybe they were CMAC and then they had the capacity 7 persons, 5 grams here.
Yeah.
But still, it was completely unnecessary. Because they were much more interesting before.
That's